It's time to say goodbye to the pole, so.
I like that pole.
But it's, I know, but we can't hold on to it forever. It's time to let it go.
Oh.
Yes.
The photo with us.
Yeah. Well, I can send them to you. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Un look super guay. Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida cuando me gusta su look.
Vale.
Si quieres una foto.
Como quieras, pero me tengo que subir al taxi ya.
Si quieres súper rápido.
Vale.
Vale. Y te mando la foto.
Vale.
Vale. So, can I see pues más así?
Vale.
Ajá. Y con el board así. Yes. Mirando por allá. Ajá, una más, así. Oh. Yes, perfect. Aguanta. Hey guys, perdón. Estamos grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida cuando me gusta su look. Si os queráis una foto.
¿Juntos?
Sí, si quieres. Sí, o separados también, como un retrato. ¿Sí? Ok, guay, probamos. ¿Ah? Sí, lo hacemos por aquí y con esto atrás. Ponte aquí, ¿vale? Sí, y te saco así. Sí. Si quieres, ponte ahí. Ah, creo que aquí, así. Sí, y me miras así. Yo quiero aquí, sí. Ok, perfect. Vale, guay, aguanta. Y ahora mirando por allá. Sí. Ok, perfecto, mira. Where are you guys from? ¿De dónde eres? Ah, Portugal. Okay, so you speak Spanish or English?
Un poco.
But better English
Yes.
for you guys. Okay, perfect. Let's try this one. Stand over here. In Lisbon.
Braga. It's near Porto.
Ah, okay, awesome. Perfect. Yeah, just stay like that. And can I have one looking up in this direction? Yeah, and do this again, 1 foot forward. And looking in this direction, up there. Yeah. Stay like that, one more. Yes. Okay, check him out. Hey guys, perdón. Estamos grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida. English.
Même pas.
Ah, je ne parle français. Just a little. Do you guys speak English?
Yes, I speak
Okay,
English.
perfect. I'm taking a video taking pictures of strangers
Okay.
when I like their look. So if you guys want a portrait, it's free just for YouTube.
Ok, c'est pour YouTube.
Si.
Ils sont en train de faire une vidéo.
Photos of strangers.
Ils prennent
Yeah.
des photos d'étrangers, de personnes
Ok.
comme ça. Ouais.
Je dois tout look.
Ah,
Yeah.
D'accord.
D'accord, d'accord. Okay, that's
no
good.
problems if you want.
Okay, perfect. So if you guys want to stand là, yeah, I can say petit peu. Where are you guys from? Paris?
Ah, il faut montrer ma...
Okay, I'm the translator.
Ah.
We're from France.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But whereabouts? Paris or?
No, in the south.
Ah, south of France.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Looking at each other? Yes. Yeah, stay like that, guys. Look, belle.
Ah ouais.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
No problem. See you later. Bye. You too. We're ready to attack, guys. Ready to attack. Oh. I think he's still on a call. In una llamada? Are you on a call? Okay, because I'm doing a video taking photos of strangers. Yeah, if you want to get a really cool picture just here. It's free just for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah?
No problem.
Where are you from?
I'm from Morocco.
Morocco, nice. Huh?
I'm here to do my studies.
Here. Okay. Can I get you to sit over here? And maybe just drop the, or give me the water? Yeah. We got some water, guys. Gracias. Okay, just stay there. Yeah, actually, can you like sit all the way back and lean on the pole so I can get you on there? Yeah. Yes, you know it. Man, that looks dope. Just stay like that. Okay, with your hands, can I get your hands maybe just like this? Perfect. Keep one foot down. Dope. Okay, Chico, you're in there too. Nice, man. Yes, serious. And looking up this way. One more looking at me. Maybe swap legs. So this leg is coming up instead. Yeah. But show me the bottom of your shirt. Yeah, perfect.
Thank
Yeah.
you. They look good.
From New Zealand and Japan.
From New Zealand and Japan.
Yeah.
So you guys are close to each other, kinda like.
See? Basically neighbors.
Yeah. How are you like?
I speak Japanese too.
So how is Barcelona like you guys? Are you enjoying the vibe so far?
It's the best. I've been here for 3 years already.
3 years. I just came here like 5 days ago, just like.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm starting my school in a couple of weeks. I will be starting my school.
Uh-huh. That's
Just, like,
awesome.
I'm just enjoying the city while I'm waiting for it.
Barcelona is a really cool city, so you're gonna love it here.
Everything like the vibe is so great. Like
So fun.
you can find everything you want. Like
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's the best city in the world.
so
Yes, man. Enjoy. Hola, man, perdón. Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida para mi canal de YouTube. Si quieres una foto.
Vale.
¿Sí? Ok, pero vamos. ¿De dónde eres?
Cuando quieras. ¿Dónde
No,
soy?
where are you from?
Italiano.
Ah, I knew it. Lo sabía. Let's try it aquí, porque la luz es súper chula.
You where are you from?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Ah, okay.
But you live here?
Now, it's my first month.
That's so weird because everybody we've met today has said the same thing.
Okay.
They've either been here on holiday or it's their first month. So we'll take one over here and then I can shoot it this way. Because you have the same color as the Christmas tree, so it's going to be nice.
Okay.
So finally we found one for the light. So if you want to stand over here. Okay, but looking at me, turn around. Yeah. So just stay there, stay like that. Nice, man, looking in this direction. Okay, and give me kind of serious. Yeah. Give me that model look, you know? Yeah. Perfect. And one more over here with the trees. Sí, creo que un poquito más. Yeah. Give me that look again, how you did before. Yes, así. Yeah. Oh, just like that, stay there. Mira, son chulas.
Ma come ti chiami su Instagram? Non so, dove ti puedo seguire?
It's,
Quando?
yes. Guay, no?
Yeah. Oh, thank you, man. Really?
This one with the sun is really cool. Instagram, yes. Ciao, ciao. Hey guys, excuse me.
Yes?
I'm doing a video for my YouTube channel, taking of pictures of strangers when I like their look.
Okay.
And you guys look awesome.
Yes.
If you guys want a portrait, it's free just for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Let's go over here because there's some really nice sunlight by Christmas market.
Okay.
Yeah? Awesome. Where are you guys from? China. Whereabouts? Whereabouts? No, where? No, where? Beijing or? Oh no.
Shanghai.
Oh, Shanghai. Okay. 你今天过得好吗?
Oh,
we
you, you speak
Oh, good.
really big
Just a little bit.
Chinese, yeah. Your pronunciation is really good.
Oh, thanks. Only Hong Kong. Yeah. Let's go around here, guys, up here. I like your look. Is this your first time in Barcelona?
Yes,
Yeah.
very good.
So many good places to eat.
Yes.
Wow, you guys are gonna have some cool pictures for your trip. Okay, so are you guys couples
No,
or just friends?
just friends.
Okay, perfect. So if you want, we can take one all together, but then after I can do portraits.
Okay.
So like one of each person. Yeah? Tienes un set para las fotos. Súper chula. Okay, so if you want to go first, just standing over here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Oh, perdón. Nice. Just stay like that. And one more like that. Can I get one more as Mo just standing in here by the trees? And I'm gonna take one like this. Like this. Okay, yeah, just there. And can I get, one hand on the hip even? Can I get one, stay there with this hand, like hold maybe one of the trees? Perfect, just like this, looking at the tree. Yes, love it. Looking at me. Nice, let's try one with the sunnies. Yeah. Boom, that looks super cool. Yeah. Again, perfect, nice and serious. Love it. And let's get the full look standing in the middle. Yes, just like that. Damn, so cool look. Okay, perfect. Can I get one hand maybe on your hip even? Yes. Perfect, looking up here. 1, 2, 3. And looking at me. One more, change hands. So this hand coming forward and maybe hold your bag so I can see it a little more. Yeah. Okay, stay there. Perfect, have a look. Okay, let's get the sunnies on, they look really cool. We'll go a little closer here. Perfect, just stay like that. Nice, can I get you maybe standing back a little bit and maybe even crossing the arms? Yes. Boom, these look dope.
Wow, cool, yeah. Ooh, this one I like.
Whatever.
Okay.
And this is going to be Instagram and YouTube, or Who's Your Brad. Ciao, ciao, bye. Yay, thanks. They were so cool. Pictures of strangers. When I like their look, if you guys want to portrait together. It's free, just for my YouTube channel,
I
so.
don't mind one, yeah.
Okay, where are you guys from?
Ireland.
Ireland, both of you? Okay, awesome. Okay, let's go over here. Like, there are some really cool lights just in here. Yeah. Whereabouts in Ireland?
We're
Live in Dublin.
yeah, we live in Dublin.
So. Yes, or even actually over here.
Yeah.
And then, if you want, you can give me the bottle or something.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Just so like, I'll just put it here, yeah? Okay, and can you guys are a couple, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, can you, let me think. Want to lean up against the pole? Just where?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect, yes. So just stay there, guys. So I was thinking more if you were side on, kind of like this.
Yeah.
And then if you were in front, like this.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So like really couple style.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yes, yes. Don't look at the camera.
Oh.
Like guys are like looking at each other. Yes, stay like that, guys. And again, can I get your head a little bit more in on him like this? And now looking at me, both of you guys. Yeah, and looking at me. Yeah, just stay like that. Yeah. One more like this.
Thank you so much.
All
though.
good. Can I try one more, guys, with
Yeah,
you
of
in the
course
middle?
you can.
Just
Yeah.
away from the pole. It's time to say goodbye to the pole, so.
Yeah.
I like that pole.
But it's, I know, but we can't hold on to it forever.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
It's time to let go.
Time to move on, I think.
Come on, guys. Okay, stand here in the middle. Perfect. And can I try one classical one with you, with the leg up? And then, yeah. Okay, looking, oh, that's so nice. Stay there.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
All good, guys.
Yeah, lovely
Yeah,
to meet you.
all good. Yeah.
Have a good trip, and I'll send you
Yeah.
guys the
Have a
pictures.
good Christmas.
Thank you.
and-
You too. Merry
Yeah.
Christmas.
Thanks so much.
Ciao, guys. You too.